Has this ever happened to you? You need experience to get a job, but then you need a job to get that experience in the first place? If you're trying to break into UX, you've probably run into this dilemma. But there's good news. There are ways to get that UX experience without having a traditional job or internship. In this video, we'll discuss 4 ways to build your portfolio and break into UX through personal projects, hackathons, volunteering, and freelancing. Let's start with personal projects first. This is one of the most accessible ways to start off gaining experience. There are many ways you can go about doing personal projects, but I'll talk about 3 types. First, solve a problem that interests you. If this feels too broad, you can find a bunch of design challenge prompts online to help you brainstorm. There are prompts out there related to new technology, wellness, accessibility, and many more. You could also conduct a redesign to improve an existing product or service that you use. And then lastly, for the researchers out there, a great option is to run a usability test or heuristic evaluation for an existing product. These projects are all about showing your initiative and sharing your interests by solving real-world problems on your own terms. If you want a quick project, hackathons or designathons are the way to go. At these events, you'll team up with other developers and UXers to solve a design challenge in just a couple of days or weeks. Universities and tech organizations host these events all the time, and they're a great way to apply your UX skills while also getting practice with tools and methods. Another big plus is that these events offer a way to build relationships. Networking at hackathons can even lead to a future job opportunity for you. And don't worry if you're a beginner, these events are all about learning and getting creative. Next, volunteering. Volunteering your UX skills is another great way to gain experience with real clients while making a positive impact. You can offer UX help to nonprofits or local community groups or startups who might not have that budget to hire UX teammates. You can find these volunteering opportunities by reaching out to organizations on LinkedIn or by using platforms like Catchafire to match you with projects. Lastly, freelancing. Once you build up that confidence by completing personal projects, hackathons, or volunteering, then start doing paid freelance gigs. Freelancing is a great way to get hands-on experience with real clients. You can use platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn to find simple UX projects that match your skills. These platforms also let you name your own price, so presenting yourself as an affordable, educated, and highly motivated consultant will capture the attention of clients who are looking for budget-friendly work. And then, when you've found a project, focus on developing your client communication skills and practice balancing client direction and feedback with your own vision for the work. These are important skills that matter to hiring managers and can really only be practiced with real stakeholders. Overall, these projects will help you build credibility and gather positive reviews to display on your portfolio. When starting out, it's easy to feel like those big, high-profile projects are the only ones that matter. But really, every project, no matter how big or small, can showcase your skills and growth. Employers are not just looking for those glamorous projects. They want to see your problem-solving process, your ability to consider users' needs, and your ability to strategize. Over time, your projects will build up, and you'll have a portfolio and resume that reflects a very well-rounded and experienced UXer. You got this.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here, and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nnGroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our virtual UX conferences that offer live, hands-on UX training.